Football has always been a spectator sport. You might be shocked to learn about some of the FIFA World Cup 2022 innovations that are being used, given how quickly the world and sport are developing. There is little question that a number of areas of the game have improved despite the fact that the installation of VAR, Video Assistant Referee, has been rather divisive. Both viewers and sports officials have had much simpler time determining offsides, fouls, and whether to award penalties or goals. When Qatar was chosen to host the FIFA World Cup in 2022, it began developing its Vision 2023 project. The goal of this initiative was to make sure that FIFA and Qatar both utilize technology to enhance the largest sporting event on earth. Football has gone a long way, from including sensors in the official World Cup ball to offering help to supporters who are blind. This is the reason we've chosen to compile this list of the many FIFA World Cup 2022 technologies employed this year for you. These technologies are undoubtedly fascinating and unexpected to learn about, despite the complexity of their workings. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Let's start. Number 5. Al-Rilla World Cup Ball. One of the attractions leading up to the event is usually the World Cup balls. The World Cup ball always generates the most anticipation for the event, starting with South Africa's Jabulani in 2010 and ending with the Brazuca in 2014. The Al-Rilla is the sanctioned World Cup ball this time around. Al-Rilla, which refers to Qatar's journey as a World Cup host, means the voyage in Arabic. Additionally, the World Cup ball contains an inertial measuring unit, IMU. Offsides and ball kick points will be decided by the referees considerably more quickly as a result of this. In order to make sure that no part of the gaming is lost, the data will really be transferred to the video control room over 500 times per second. The ball is also produced using the most recent technology, according to FIFA. It will fly more quickly than any of the previous match balls in the history of the competition because to its strength and weight. Basically, there isn't a ball in sports that is more technologically sophisticated. Number 4. Stadium Cooling. It is well known that when Qatar was selected to host the event, there were no working football venues there. People had doubts about the World Cup being held in the oppressive heat of June and July. In response, FIFA made sure the competition was held during the colder winter months. Additionally, a number of stadiums have been constructed all across Qatar for the tournament games. All of these stadiums have a single feature: cutting-edge cooling technology. There is an energy center outside each stadium. The pipelines all around the stadium and the playing field are supplied with chilled water by this energy facility. Additionally, this cooled water will be transformed into chilly air and blown around the whole stadium. Overall, this technology is not only crucial, but it's also among the most cutting edge you'll see during the FIFA World Cup 2022. Number 3. Goal line technology. In a number of European domestic leagues, goal line technology has been employed. However, the most cutting-edge form of this technology was employed with the goal line technology during the FIFA World Cup 2022. In essence, the technique is employed to aid referees in reaching final determinations regarding goals. With the use of 14 high-speed cameras that follow the ball, FIFA has advanced this technology. In fact, they'll be able to relay the results to the match officials in under a second. A 3D animation is then used to visualize the data the technology supplied. Fans may view this 3D animation on their TV screens thanks to the broadcaster. The FIFA World Cup 2022 will see a far better implementation of the system than the inaugural deployment in 2014 did. This is unquestionably preferable because less time will be lost in tense circumstances. In reality, it will help prevent a number of issues that have dogged the game for a while. Additionally, it is crucial that the game be performed as effectively as possible on such a large platform. This goal will be aided by the adoption of such cutting-edge FIFA World Cup 2022 technology. Number 2. FIFA Player App. Football players that play professionally are constantly trying to get better. Although FIFA and FIFPRO have made it more simpler for these players, this is mostly made feasible by the statistics provided by their teams. Soon after the completion of each game, they will now receive a detailed review of their gameplay. Statistics including improved football data analytics and physical performance indicators will be made available to players via this app. Players will almost immediately have access to all of this information, from their actions breaching the opposing line to their top speed. The top FIFA football experts analyze the information supplied during each game and input it into the app. Players won't have to wait for reports from their national team to understand what they need to work on, because World Cup matches have relatively little gaps in between them. Additionally, during the game, this data is synchronized with player moments. They will therefore be able to compare their actions from prior matches with the provided data. This is a fantastic addition for players who are competing on the largest football platform in the world to increase their work rate and do well for their country. Number 1. Football Data Ecosystem. Even 10 years ago, football was very different from what it is today. Clubs often use data ecosystems to scout players and analyze their performances. Every data parameter is used to locate the right players, from progressive passes to predicted goals to progressive carries. All relevant stakeholders will have access to player and team data thanks to the FIFA Football Data Ecosystem. This ecosystem's many data processors and sources offer comprehensive knowledge on all things football. During football games, the ecosystem also gathers real-time statistics and even player location information. Analysts can use this data to determine the player's pace and direction of play in addition to their overall performance. In essence, this information is then applied to aid athletes in achieving their top performances. This is the largest performance data analysis project to date. There are many different parties involved in modern football. When making decisions for the future of their organizations, these stakeholders frequently consider data and technology. Additionally, players evaluate their own game performances using statistics and video samples. The major football governing bodies want to make sure that their teams and players are as effective as possible in every way. Given this, the FIFA World Cup technologies in 2022 will do much to ingrain technology into the game of football. This kind of event calls for a healthy dose of innovation. So guys, it's enough for this video. If you have found this video interesting, leave a like and a comment and share it with your friends. For more videos, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.